The TIGERXBANG 10.8 Inflatable Paddleboard offers an impressive surface area, providing enhanced stability and balance, which is ideal for beginners and those practicing activities like yoga on water. Designed for paddleboarding enthusiasts, it features a camera base to capture unforgettable moments and a unique paddle support system to keep your paddles secure and your hands free. The versatile double-blade paddle can be used for both stand-up paddling and kayaking, while the enhanced fin ensures better tracking and stability on the water. This paddleboard is designed with portability and comfort in mind, featuring an upgraded kayak seat for back support and an ergonomically padded backpack for easy transportation. Available in striking colors with a cheek wood grain pattern, the stylish aesthetics of the TIGERXBANG paddleboards make them as visually appealing as they are functional. The paddleboards are part of the Pandora collection, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and versatility, catering to a wide range of paddleboarding enthusiasts.